Here we are at Contra Costa Powersports, and today we have our 2011 Suzuki DR650S Dual Sport. Beautiful condition, only 5,350 miles on this gorgeous 2011 single cylinder, oil cooled, beautiful shape. Come on by, make your dual sport dreams come true for just $49.99. This bike is not going to be here long. We have financing, we have extended warranties. Check us out on the web, www.contracostaps.com, where at any given time we have 30 to 40 beautiful clean used bikes in stock. Did I say brand new back tire on this one? Thank you from Contra Costa Powersports.